Hi, welcome to the quiz. You can answer along on quizalto.com, all for free. The exact URL of this quiz will be in the notes down below. Let's get started, good luck. Which AWS service can be integrated with AWS Private 5G for enhanced functionality? AWS IoT Core, Amazon S3 Glacier, Amazon Poly, AWS Code Pipeline. AWS IoT Core can be integrated with AWS Private 5G to enhance functionality for IoT devices and applications. What is AWS Private 5G used for? Hosting public websites, running AI or ML workloads, managing serverless applications, creating private mobile networks. AWS Private 5G is used for creating private mobile networks to securely connect devices and applications. What is the impact of user access control on AWS Private 5G deployments? Increased social media usage by employees. Unlimited data storage for all users. Enhanced security by managing user permissions. Higher network latency for all users. User access control in AWS Private 5G deployments enhances security by managing user permissions, ensuring that only authorized users have access to specific network resources and data. What impact does packet filtering have on AWS Private 5G deployments? Limiting access to essential business applications. Controlling network traffic for security purposes. Enhancing data encryption measures. Increasing access to public networks. Packet filtering in AWS Private 5G deployments allows for the control of network traffic for security purposes, filtering out unwanted packets and safeguarding the network from potential threats. What is the significance of latency reduction in AWS Private 5G deployments? Integration with popular social media platforms. Faster downloads of software updates. Improved performance for real-time applications. Access to unlimited data storage. Reducing latency in AWS Private 5G deployments improves performance for real-time applications, enhancing the overall user experience and efficiency. What is a key feature of AWS Private 5G for AI or ML workloads? Public access to AI models. Limited data processing capabilities. Fast and reliable data transfer. Low encryption standards. A key feature of AWS Private 5G for AI or ML workloads is fast and reliable data transfer, ensuring efficient processing of large datasets. What advantage does AWS Private 5G offer for high-bandwidth applications? Public network visibility. High-speed data transfer. Increased network latency. Limited coverage area. AWS Private 5G offers high-speed data transfer, making it advantageous for high-bandwidth applications that require fast and reliable connectivity. What security benefit does AWS Private 5G offer? Public network sharing. Encrypted network traffic. Open access to network resources. Unlimited access control policies. AWS Private 5G offers encrypted network traffic, enhancing security for mobile networks and data transmission. Why is network traffic prioritization important in AWS Private 5G deployments? To increase social media usage among employees. To reduce data storage costs. To restrict access to certain websites. To optimize network performance for critical applications. Prioritizing network traffic in AWS Private 5G deployments is essential to optimize network performance for critical applications, ensuring that they receive adequate bandwidth and resources for seamless operation. What is a benefit of using AWS Private 5G for supply chain management? Lower network security. Improved inventory tracking. Limited access control policies. Public network sharing. Using AWS Private 5G for supply chain management can lead to improved inventory tracking through secure and reliable communication. What is the key difference between AWS Private 5G and traditional 5G networks? Control and customization options. Lower latency. Wider coverage area. Higher data speed. The key difference between AWS Private 5G and traditional 5G networks is the control and customization options available with AWS Private 5G. What is the primary advantage of using AWS Private 5G over a standard cellular network? Access to unlimited data usage. Enhanced data security and privacy. Integration with popular social media platforms. Faster data download speeds. AWS Private 5G offers enhanced data security and privacy compared to standard cellular networks, making it a preferred choice for sensitive information. What is a key advantage of using AWS Private 5G for event management services? Public access to event data. Limited event attendance. Secure and reliable communication. High latency for event updates. Using AWS Private 5G for event management services offers secure and reliable communication, ensuring seamless coordination and information sharing. What is the benefit of having a dedicated AWS Private 5G network for corporate use? Higher latency. Increased network reliability. Lower data speed. Limited scalability. Having a dedicated AWS Private 5G network for corporate use increases network reliability by providing a secure and controlled environment for data transmission. How does AWS Private 5G help in ensuring data integrity for mobile networks? By offering unlimited storage options. By sharing network resources with public networks. By providing secure data transmission. By reducing encryption standards. AWS Private 5G ensures data integrity for mobile networks by providing secure data transmission and encryption protocols. How does AWS Private 5G contribute to improved data privacy and security? By using outdated security protocols. By providing an isolated and secure network. By encrypting data only in transit. By allowing public network access. AWS Private 5G contributes to improved data privacy and security by providing an isolated and secure network for data transmission. What is the primary benefit of using AWS Private 5G for transportation systems? Low network security. Improved vehicle connectivity. Limited access control for traffic management. Public sharing of transportation data. The primary benefit of using AWS Private 5G for transportation systems is improved vehicle connectivity, enabling real-time communication for traffic management and safety. What is the benefit of AWS Private 5G for enterprises? Lower cost for public cloud services. Faster internet speeds. Improved security and control. Easier integration with social media platforms. AWS Private 5G offers improved security and control for enterprises, allowing them to create private mobile networks. How does AWS Private 5G assist in reducing network congestion? By offering open access to public networks. By slowing down data transfer speeds. By limiting the number of connected devices. By providing a dedicated network for specific use cases. AWS Private 5G assists in reducing network congestion by providing a dedicated network for specific use cases, ensuring optimal performance and efficiency. What is the main advantage of AWS Private 5G compared to public 5G networks? Higher data speed. Control over network performance. Lower latency. Wider coverage area. The main advantage of AWS Private 5G compared to public 5G networks is the control over network performance, allowing for customization and optimization. What is a key advantage of using AWS Private 5G for emergency response systems? Fast and reliable communication. Limited emergency alerts. High latency for response coordination. Public access to emergency data. A key advantage of using AWS Private 5G for emergency response systems is fast and reliable communication, ensuring quick and effective coordination during emergencies. What is a key advantage of using AWS Private 5G for real-time data analytics applications? High network latency. Limited network throughput. Public network connectivity. Low latency data transfer. A key advantage of using AWS Private 5G for real-time data analytics applications is low latency data transfer, allowing for quick and efficient analysis of data streams. Why is AWS Private 5G preferred for critical infrastructure systems? Higher deployment costs. Limited network customization. Ensures data integrity and security. Slower data speed. AWS Private 5G is preferred for critical infrastructure systems as it ensures data integrity and security, which are vital for the smooth operation of such systems. How does AWS Private 5G assist in maintaining network availability during peak usage times? By increasing network latency. By disconnecting low-priority devices. By reducing overall network speed. By providing dedicated resources for each user. AWS Private 5G assists in maintaining network availability during peak usage times by providing dedicated resources for each user, ensuring consistent performance levels. How does AWS Private 5G help in reducing network congestion? By allowing free access to network resources. By sharing network traffic with public networks. By providing dedicated network resources. By increasing the number of connected devices. AWS Private 5G helps in reducing network congestion by providing dedicated network resources for secure communication. And that's a wrap. Thanks to everyone who participated. Remember, you can answer along on quizalto.com, where you can keep track of your progress and find much more quizzes. We hope you had a fun and challenging time. Until next time. If you enjoyed this video, please give it a thumbs up. Subscribe to the channel for more. Hit the bell icon to be notified as soon as we upload. Please leave a comment if you have any thoughts or suggestions, and if you think this video is worth sharing with someone who could benefit from it, please forward a link to them. See you next time. Thanks for watching.